Hey guys, I was at my Walmart today. I picked up 2 boxes. This is the first box. It's Topps Mini Chrome. It's supposed to be hobby packs, and you get 3 bonus limited edition red, white, and blue parallels. This was the only one they had, and it is $12.98 a box. There you can see the back of it. So let's get into this. I do like the minis. If you watch some of my other videos, you know I do. So here's the 3 mini chrome, and then the red, white, and blue. So let's see how I do. Come on, Bears, no Packers. Just my luck. Randall Cobb right off the bat. Kuechly, another one I have a rough time pronouncing. A Randall Cobb Sepia. Not numbered. And the Landon Collins rookie card. What is the odds of that? For me, the odds are more likely that's going to happen than not happen. Too funny. Way too funny. Okay, Rob Gronkowski. JJ, I can't play this year. Watts. Marcus Mariota. That's pretty cool, even though he's playing like crap. And then a PJ Williams. Okay. Oh, yeah. And he ain't playing either, so. CJ Anderson. Andy Dalton. Javaris Allen. And a Kevin White rookie mini. But like I said, he's hurt. So 2 years on our team. He's played 4 games total. Ooh, great draft pick we did there. Now we finish it off with the red, white, and blue. Hopefully we get some Bears. Oh, got the famous Kid Reporter card. Okay. Got a Chad Henne. Well, we got a 49ers, Michael Crabtree. And last but not least, Vince Jackson. Oh man, those are pretty cool. Look nice and shiny. They numbered any different? I don't know if the whole set's that high. Up to 149. Interesting to find out. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll talk at you later.